everybody, this is Corpse Cutie, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new 2018 Wacom Intuos drawing tablet. And here we are with the unboxed tablet. One of the things that immediately stands out to me about this tablet is the placement of the buttons along the top. On my last tablet, the buttons were along the left side here, and me being left-handed, that definitely posed a problem where I would accidentally push the buttons and weird stuff would go on while I was trying to draw. So I had to go and disable all those buttons. The pen seems very nice. It's very lightweight, very sleek. In my experience, normally there are, yep, there's the extra nibs. So there's 3 extra nibs on the inside there, plus the one that's already in the chamber. And then on the back is a nifty little nib remover. All nice and stored, and then the buttons are indented a little bit for placing the pen. All in all, this tablet seems very lightweight, very portable. It does have the Bluetooth compatibility, so if you want to take it on the go, then it's definitely set up for that. And it's also set up for use in home. So it seems very versatile. I haven't actually broke it in yet, but I'm interested in seeing how well it works. Obviously, a lot of what I've talked about is entirely cosmetic since I haven't actually broken it in yet and used it. So over the course of the next week or so, I'm going to be breaking it in, seeing what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and I'm going to be compiling a tutorial for you guys. So be sure to like, comment, or subscribe to see my latest videos.